Hey guys, Lynette here, and today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy regular bag. So let's get in and let's get into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. As we said it, and you see in the title, we're opening up the Ipsy Glam bag. And for those of you who don't know, Ipsy Glam bag is currently $10 for this month. This is the September bag. Starting next month, it's gonna be $12, but yes, it's $2 more, but if you haven't watched my spoilers video, which I would definitely put the spoilers for October in the description box below so you guys can check that out if you haven't. And of course, make sure you like and subscribe if you love spoilers or subscription boxes. But let's focus back. All right, so starting next month, Ipsy will be $12 every month. But the purpose and the reason why I'm totally digging the new changes is because now you get to choose one of the options of your mystery box. Now, I'm excited about next month box. If you guys have seen that spoiler for October, let me know in the comments section below. I'm not gonna spoil it for you guys if you don't want spoilers, so I'm gonna keep that a secret. But if you've watched that video and you know what next month's bag is, let me know in the comment section below if you're excited like I am. I'm excited. I think it's gonna be a super fun, different type of bag. I've been a member from Ipsy since the beginning of this year, and I love it. It gives me a variety of products. I never was into subscription boxes before. My husband actually got me into them, so we digress. And now he is like, I'm addicted to it, let's just say. And I have, if you see the boxes behind me, I have a couple of boxes. I have Ipsy coming. I have Ipsy here, which is going to be the next video. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, that's next. And I have FabFitFun there that I got in. So if you love spoilers, definitely stick around. I have a whole bunch of videos coming up the next couple of days with different types of spoilers. So like I said, let's get into Ipsy. And as I said, this gives you a variety. This one is currently, we'll say it's $12 at this point. You get to pick a choice. This one was this is for September, so I didn't get to choose, but because I'm addicted to spoilers, I already know what's in here. But next month you get to choose one of the products in the bag. So let's get into my September Ipsy, and make sure, sometimes if you've never gotten Ipsy, the regular Ipsy before, sometimes there is something inside that doesn't fit in your bag. So make sure you always check it before you totally just get rid of the bag. Nothing in mine, so we are okay with that. But I am totally excited for the bag. It is so pretty. If you're into astronomy, if you see that, it's totally all about astrology and your signs and different. If you can read them, you probably know better than me because I have no idea what these stars are, but I think it's pretty. It's like a canvas material, nothing on the back, but all the star constellations are in the front, and then the zipper is like a crystal gem there. So I think it's pretty. So let us start to take a look. And with every bag you get like a description. So this one, and it's always a different theme. So this one is Find Your Light, and that's what it looks like. And if it's funny because I saw another YouTuber unbag their box or their bag. No, it was their box. It was their Ipsy box. And she showed us the photo and her eyes look exactly like that. So just, and if you're watching this, I totally thought those look like your eyes. So, because she always has like super pretty makeup. Anyway, so here it gives you, of course, like we said, we have a theme, and then inside it gives you like a description of every product that you have there. So I'm gonna put that to the side because I'll read that out to you once we take a look. I'm so happy. I pulled out the very first thing and I'm excited about. All right, so the first thing I am excited about, I have an item, a lip gloss from Ofra. This is the brand, well, its brand is Ofra. The YouTuber and vlogger who this product is from is Madison Miller. And if you can see that there, I don't see the color here, but let's talk about this. So I know that she was the beauty vlogger for this month, so the products are in her theme. So if you guys can see that. And then let's talk about this. So this is again from Ofra Cosmetics. I'm gonna try to hide my face so you guys don't see my face. This limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofra Gaito And beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us high pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This pink gloss with a hint of purple shines up your lips without feeling the least bit sticky. Tip: apply this gloss onto bare lips over lip balm to keep things nice and smooth, or use it on top of your favorite lip colors with a touch of glam. So I'm actually gonna try that right now. I'll swatch it for you guys so that you guys can take a look to see. That is the doe foot applicator. And then let us take a look to see. This is a really pretty color. So you guys can see that there. And let us, I know I have lip gloss already, but kind of similar. I have Ciate London on right now, and that was actually from my very first Ipsy bag. So it doesn't feel, and again, this is a little hard because I already have lip gloss on. Let me see something. And it has its scent to it, which is not like lip glossy, nasty scent. It does have a sugary type of scent to it, so it's not bad at all. And it doesn't feel like sticky, exactly what they said in the description. So I am definitely excited about this one. I love lip glosses, like I said. All right, so let us go take a look at the next item here. And the next item is from 111 Skin. Now guys, if you don't know that, this product is very expensive. And I know that you can't see it because it's totally not focusing. There you go. So this is 111 and this is 0.25 fluid ounces. And this is a Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. So this is the way it looks, and it's not bad because if you think about it, eye gel, you don't need a lot of eye gel. So I'll leave that there so you guys can take a look, and let's talk about this one. Founded by globally renowned cosmetic surgeon, this brand scientifically backed products address a wide range of skin concerns. This lightweight eye gel brightens and minimizes puffiness and majorly hydrates. Plus, it helps keep your concealer smooth and crease-free. Tip: place a tiny drop under your eye area and smooth it out using your fingers. So always, if you don't know, I learned by watching videos too. So if you don't know, when you put eye gel or eye cream or anything, moisturizer on, always use your ring finger. So because that's the lightest to the touch when you put it under your eye, and your under your eye is very sensitive. Not that I'm a super expert, just sharing what I've learned myself from watching other videos. So eye cream is good because you don't need a lot of eye cream. So we are jumping, and that's 2 for 2 so far. All right, and the next thing I have here is from Unicorn Glow. Let me see what this is. Okay, this is called Unicorn Glow. That's not the name of the company, that's actually the name of this one. And this is from, it says L.O.C.K color. Unicorn Glow Longwear. So this is primer. With artificial packaging and smart, affordable formulas, this fun-loving brand makes it easy to feel and look like your best self. Your makeup will stay put and your skin healthy when you use this illuminating primer made with jojoba oil, shea butter, and chamomile. Tip: after moisturizing, smooth a dime-sized amount of primer all over your face, then apply your foundation and makeup as usual. So I'm definitely excited. I have primer. What was it from? It was from First Aid Beauty, I believe. I got that in my last Ipsy. I've skipped the beauty of what I like about Ipsy, because as you can see behind me and you can see here, I do get different subscription boxes. So sometimes if you're overwhelmed, why I like Ipsy is because you can totally skip it. So the last bag I got, which was a few months back, I skipped a couple bags because I kind of wanted to try different subscription boxes just to see how they were. Of course, I went back to Ipsy when I saw the spoiler for the bag. So I've literally had a First Aid Beauty primer like this. And I literally just finished that. Not literally, but literally, yes. I just finished that one today. So I definitely needed primer. So that's super awesome. And then the next item here I have is from BIY. This says City Limits, and this is a eyeshadow. So that's what it says there, and I know that's like a weird color. So this is eyeshadow in Fire and Ice. This one seemed a little dark. I did see that one here, but let's see how it swatches, because I didn't want to like totally assume it's gonna be dark, and that's kind of what it looks like here, as you see here. And some people don't like these little eyeshadows. I do, because if I don't like it, it's not a big deal. It's a small one, but you can always work with it and mix it with other colors. So let's see how this one, let's see how this swatches. So that's the way that it swatches. It's brown. I don't believe I have anything in brown that dark, so that's cool. You can use that for like a smoky eye. So let's take a look and see what it says about this one. Hold on there so you guys can see that. This says, founded in Los Angeles, IBY encourages confidence, kindness, and self-expression. Lynette, speak English. This eyeshadow is infused with rosehip seed oil to keep your skin smooth and hydrated. Plus, to break down brown shade shifts to any green. Oh, shifts to army green as it catches light. Oh, see, I didn't even notice that. So I guess it's, I don't know if you guys can see that. It kind of does. I guess when you're in, if you use this in light, it would. It does look like it's a different color if you adjust it according to the light. I don't know if that's going to be camera available for you guys, but that's okay. All right, and then tip, use a fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend fire and ice all over your lids. Then take a damp angled eyeliner to brush and smudge into your lower lash line. So that I'm definitely fine with that. Any eyeshadow I am definitely open for. And then the last but not least is my very first product from BRIOGEO. Don't despair, repair. So if you see my curly hair, it obviously with curly hair you always need repair and help. So I'm definitely excited about this one. I love getting hair care products. Some people don't, because they just want all beauty products because this is a beauty company, but I love it. I choose a mixture of stuff, and usually I get what's on my profile. So I don't know about you guys. If you have, let me know down below. What I try to do is I try to keep my beauty profile with Ipsy up to date. So usually every month I am updating that just to see, like, let's say I have too many mascaras, I will definitely say I don't want any mascaras, or I think it's rarely is the option that they give you. So I try to do that every month just so they're updated as much as I'm updated, because I'm just one person. I don't need a lot of makeup at all. I work from home, so I don't need to get dressed up every day. Usually the time I'm dressing up is for my videos or for going out with the family. All right, so the last but not least, like we said, is BRIOGEO. So you guys can see that there. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Maybe that is what it wants. Okay, so BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair Strength Moisture Leave-In Mask. So this leave-in treatment strengthens and repairs your hair so it gets healthier and stronger between washes and heat styling. It's made from argan oil to repair damage, vitamin-packed algae extract to nourish your hair, and biotin to help prevent breakage. Spritz onto freshly washed damp hair from mid-shaft to ends. Comb through and style any way you want. So let's do a recap and see what was in my Ipsy bag for September. Of course, we have the Ipsy bag. We have BRIOGEO Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Treatment. And then we have the brown to green eyeshadow. That's kind of funky and that's cool. And then we have the primer, which again, I needed primer. So we have that. And then we have from 111, I'm definitely excited for this one, because if you look this up, this is definitely expensive. And I'll put the list of all the products in the description box below if you guys want to just check out the retail value of it. It doesn't give us retail value, so that's fine. And then we have Ofra Madison Miller. Love this color. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm definitely going to subscribe next month. And make sure you guys, if you haven't, go check out the video I have in the description so you can see what next month's spoilers are. I think you guys will be excited. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.